Today is Iri Ji, the new Yam Festival.
The king of the yams. It will be the first to be eaten. For the new yam, we need a rich stew. The best Ofe Akwu starts with fresh palm nuts.
Feast of culture.
Nani, the land has blessed us. The new yam is here. Anyi nai dalu ale nyelike ya. Ndị anyị aga na ama agwụ. The blessing is given. Let the feast begin. Let the fires burn. The smoked fish gives the stew a deep soul.
Each spice has its time. You must listen to the pot. It will tell you when.
The new yam is so soft and white. You are not forcing it. You are coaxing the richness out. Squeeze with respect. This is the blood of the palm. This is our Ofe Akwu.
Now, the building of flavors begins. The fish and meat will drink the flavor of the akwu and give their own spirit to the stew.
Feast of culture.
It smells fierce, eh? But without it.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support.
The new yam is soft. It is ready.
Stir gently now. Let them dissolve and join the family.
The final perfume. We add it last, so its spirit is still fresh when it reaches the mouth.
Ofe Akwu is the stew of kings. In the old days, you presented this to show.
It is ready. Our ancestors will be proud.
Feast of culture. Feast of culture. The first share. For those who came before us.
nani, the new yam. Kam na-egbutu ji a, m na-egbutu unwo na mute. Ka ọba anyị jupụta n'ụmụ anyị nwee ahụ ike. Iri Ji, eat the new yam. The feast has begun.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support
Feast of Culture.
You see, my brother, this is the reward. Not the food, but the joy it brings.
The new yam has been eaten. The ancestors are happy. The land has given us its life. To the hands that cook this feast, Ndewo, well done. Dalunu.
Thank you for joining our New Yam Festival from Feast of Cultures.
You have been watching Feast of Culture. May your harvest always be plentiful. Kao Messie.
You have celebrated Iri Ji with our family today. If our story has filled you with joy, please do us this small honor.
I don't think my arms can pound even this one. Don't worry, I think I can just eat this one whole.
I helped wash the nuts and I helped peel the yams. My husband needs to taste this. Ogiri.
Laughter!
Soft, beautiful singing.
To the cooks.
Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and the traditions of the Iri Ji festival.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time for another unforgettable taste of adventure.